Next up is a young girl I saw on the internet. Very talented, very good. And I'm like, okay, it's my show. Come through, come perform. Let me, let my audience see you. She's a young girl. And I want us to give her every support so she can do her dance really well. Lagos, all the way from Port Harcourt, make some noise for the young Annabelle.
I know you now. I give you a dirty slap. What do you want? Please, don't kill him, okay? He's begging you. You just have to understand nature. Sometimes what you want is not what God wants. You know that.
I think they deserve a bigger applause. Come on. Oh yeah, come. How old are you? How old are you? No, wait, I'm coming to. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
What class now? What class are you now?
Basic 4.
Basic 4. So what do you want to do when you grow up? Tell us. It's your first time in Lagos. And I'll make sure that Lagos will touch you well before you go back. What do you want to be when you grow old?
I want to be a dancer.
Want to be a dancer. So even when you go to the university, you want to study dancing?
I'll be learning and be dancing.
You'll be learning dancing, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, she wants to be a dancer. It's Father's Day. We're going to change her life today in Lagos. And I will start. I will set my friends up to start first. Ndidi. Wilfred. William. Okay. Wilfred. We will send this guy to school. From this level to university level. All of us. Wilfred. Eugene, move. How much I go start with? How much? 10 million. Okay. Kelechi, Yanacho, stand. No, I dey call my friends first before I go my chairman. Kelechi Kuroto. Gagwa Oko from this level, guy university level. Ego ne guy genya. One 10 million naira, 20 million. Awe, I dey call my friends where I grow with. Awe, one gagwa oko. One guy genya. 5 million, 25. Muna clap now. That's a lot. 25 million. Come. Take her. University level. 5 million. 30 million naira. E-money. University level. Dr. E. $10 million. How much now? Mo, help me write. Where's Mo? Help me take notes. Your Excellency, this is your child. This will serve as a connection to every other child in Ebonyi. That when in next 4 years, when you finally take over, they will see you through her. From here, university to masters, she and her family. Let's change her life. Okay, no, you can't announce in public, I know. Okay, yeah, okay. So I'll just let's see. I used to do it. Okay. Uncle Allen. I know she'll fly with your airline to London for her masters. For free, I know you'll do it. But let's send her to school. She needs to go to school. Sir? Okay. Your masters, anyway you go do them, Epis will fly you for free. He said it here.
Big things, no like.
Uncle Ned. Okay. Mo, anybody where I do like this for? That means something is ABI and friends. This medicine not to go far. Now for a gap because say in the government, Mona do well. Let's begin to. Okay. 2 million ABI. 2 million. 2 million. Who remain? Who remain? Who I never call? Money. 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 Happen money. No, money. Yeah. Eugene, leave money face now. You too. Hold on. How much do we have so far? How much do we have so far? How much? Who they calculate how much on paper? 42 million. Tell them thank you. Hold the mic. Talk to them. Say thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate.
Tell them that you will not disappoint them.
I will not disappoint you.
Thank you. Odobe. 2 million. Odobe 44. 2 million Odobe. Who I never call? Who? Chief priest. You know they spray again.
Give me chance.
You know hold on. Even for burial, you know the. So chief priest, no spray, just call them, no spray. Make him 50 million. How much before? 44. 6 million, chief priest. Chief priest, any plan for them to call you again, they go call me.
See the way you love me.
So ladies and gentlemen,
See the way you care for me.
ladies and gentlemen, it's Father's Day, and as we've shown this girl and her family love, God will bless all of us one after the other. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Ndidi. Thank you, Yanacho. Thank you, Awazim. Thank you so much. Thank you. Where's your mom? Go and call her to come and talk this thank you on her behalf. Money hard. If you dance from now these 10 years, 10 million, you know go see. So these people try for you well. That's her mom. Yeah. You say something to them.
God bless you all. Like you guys, everybody will not lack. I'm very grateful. God will bless you. Your pockets will not run dry. Wherever you lay your hands, you shall prosper. Very grateful. God.
It's okay. No cry, no cry. Yeah. Me from my pocket, no be like say I to get. You understand? But from what you wanna give me, I go give them 1 million. I no try.
Dependable God.
1 million. I go if you pay that one quick. No, 500.